Ready to start investing but unsure where to begin? If opening a brokerage account feels intimidating, you're not alone. Today, we're opening a Fidelity Brokerage account together, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A brokerage account is your gateway to buying stocks, ETFs, and other investments. Fidelity makes this process straightforward and completely online. Step 1. Start the application. Go to Fidelity's website or download their mobile app. Look for Open an Account and select Brokerage Account. You'll need some basic personal information handy: your social security number, date of birth, and employment information. Step 2. Complete the profile and fund your account. You'll answer questions about your investment experience and financial objectives. Once your application is approved, which often happens instantly, you can link your bank account to transfer funds and make your first investment. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: start with a brokerage account before retirement accounts if you're new. A standard brokerage account has no contribution limits or withdrawal penalties, making it the most flexible starting point for beginners. You can always open an IRA later for retirement-specific tax advantages. So, just like that, you're on your way to building your investment portfolio. Taking that first step goes a long way in securing your financial future. Now I'm curious, what's the first investment you're thinking of making in your new account? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.